Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Cooking for Body and Soul. Today's recipe is Oreo pudding. Oreo pudding is truly heavenly and it's one of those desserts that you can't stop eating. If you're craving to have something chocolatey, then this recipe is for you. All the ingredients are listed here and also in the description box. Before we move on, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing recipes. Now let's get into the recipe. Here I have taken 3 packs of Oreo biscuits. That is totally I have taken 36 biscuits. Just twist and open the biscuit and with the help of a knife, remove the cream from the biscuits gently like this and store the cream in a separate bowl. We'll be using this cream in our next step. And our cookies are now ready. Now take a food processor and add the biscuits to a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a mixer jar. Add all the biscuits in like this and grind it to a fine powder. So I have powdered the biscuits. Now transfer it to a bowl. To this, add in 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Give it a good mix. Now we are going to set this as our first layer. Even it out with the help of a spoon like this. So this is our buttery biscuit base. Once you're done, pop this in the refrigerator to set. I'm using Fiona whipping cream. You can use any heavy cream. To a large bowl, add 1.5 cups of whipping cream. Always use chilled whipping cream. Now with the help of an electric beater, whip the cream till stiff peaks are formed. Once you see the stiff peaks, you can stop whipping the cream. Just check like this. Now to the whipped cream, add in the cream that we removed from the cookies, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and a small tin of condensed milk or Milkmaid. And whisk again with the help of a blender till everything is well combined. And now our cream is all ready to be used. Now let's check our buttery biscuit base. It's all set. Now add generous amount of whipped cream. and spread out evenly. And if you feel this is not sufficient, add some more and spread it out evenly. And it's done. Here I am using these as my toppings: crushed Oreo biscuits along with the cream, few Oreo biscuits. I have not removed the cream, and few chocolate curls. Now add the toppings in any way, however you like. Just create a pattern. Place the biscuits. And now add the chocolate curls. And it's done. If you don't want to waste the leftover cookie crumbs, then add some more. And now add the chocolate curls if you want. Chocolate curls are optional. With this, our pudding is all done. Now let's pop this in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. And now it's time to serve our pudding. It's all set with the buttery biscuit base and cloud of whipped cream, topped with crumbled Oreos and chocolate curls. This scrumptious looking dessert is a must try if you are an Oreo lover, and it's always a hit at parties and get-togethers. If you like this recipe, then do give it a thumbs up. And if you're new on my channel, I request you to kindly subscribe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are provided in the description box. And thank you so much for all the love and support. Happy cooking!